Today we have a Espresso c65 that was brought to us because it was having issues with grinding coffee. Just wasn't brewing any coffee at all. So we had a look at it and we found the issue to be a faulty drainage valve. So we replaced it. This is what the old one looked like. Looks a bit like a solenoid valve, just slightly more square, bigger. Yeah. So it's replaced now and should be working good as new. So let's pull a shot and see how it looks. It's looking good. Crema, full color. All good.
A win.
Alright. If you like our videos and want to see more like these, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Take care.